Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to talk about why it's important to focus on your 4-hour window to be more productive inside your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name is John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business, or AGB, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. And we specialize in one thing only, helping floor cleaning businesses like yours generate more jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal journey to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I want to talk about being more productive, getting the most out of your day as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a wood floor cleaner, an advertising agency owner. This video is really for business owners in general. I'm going to talk about things that I've learned, things that I've picked up. Productivity and efficiency and getting the most out of your day is really, really important, in terms of like keeping that momentum going and that growth within your business, whatever your business is. And what I found personally is that basically like the first half of the day from like 8 a.m. till about 12:30, that's when I'm like my most productive. That's when I'm most creative. That's when I get like most work done. Typically by the time lunchtime comes around, you start to get a little bit tired. That productivity starts to dip and you start to lose a little bit of concentration and stuff like that. So what I tend to try to do is get all of the really important stuff done in the first part of the day, the stuff that's really going to move the needle forward in the business, the creative stuff or whatever, the thinking stuff, the real kind of game changing stuff in the business. Try to do that first, the first part of the day, and then the second part of the day, like when you're like tired and stuff like that, when you don't need to engage the brain so much, just like do like the easier stuff, like the admin related stuff, the stuff that you can kind of do like on autopilot. It doesn't really require much thought or creativity or anything like that. And what's really, really interesting is that following a lot of real big time entrepreneurs, Elon Musk's, your Jeff Bezos's, and all of these people, and having read a lot of their biographies and following them online and things like that, what I'm saying is it actually ties up with, interestingly, coincidentally, with kind of like how they run things. Typically from reading about these guys, it's that first 3 or 4 hours in the morning is like when they get their shit done, when most things happen, that's when the magic happens, if you like. So if you're a floor cleaning business owner, obviously there's going to be stuff that you need to do to run the business. So there might be like you're going to have emails possibly to answer. It could be that you have the books, that accounting that needs to be done, or there's like payroll. There's all different elements to running a business. And so what I would do is, if there's certain things that are more creative, the things like I say are going to move that needle forward, do them first. Right? Like if you're working on a new logo, if you're collaborating with a website designer building a new website, if you're working on the van wrap that's gonna be the advert on the side of the truck, if you're putting together some ads, if you're filming some content for your social media channels like I'm making this video now, all of that stuff, that creative stuff, that stuff like I say that's gonna move that needle forward, do it first. Because you know what, like you can answer emails later on in the afternoon. You don't really need to think too much about that, right? If you need to send some receipts into your accountant for expenses or something like that, that's just something that you can do on autopilot. You don't need to be 100% to actually do that, So my advice is to you guys to basically focus on that first 4 hours to get the most out of your day and really do the important things that are gonna actually make a big difference in your business. Do that stuff first and then move on to like the less sort of more admin type tasks in the afternoon. And trust me, if you do that, you're really gonna see like a big improvement. A lot of the time we're auto kind of programmed to, like there might be like a ton of like easy things that you can do. Like, I need to send these receipts, it's a 5-minute job, boom. I need to answer that guy's email, boom. I need to pay this guy, or I need to go and order some chemicals. So you just get all the easy stuff done first, but then all that easy stuff, right, like it all mounts up. Next thing you know, it's like lunchtime and you're starting to get a little bit tired, right? And now you're thinking, I'm supposed to go out today and record some video of me cleaning carpet, or with one of the techs for our social media channel or our YouTube YouTube channel or whatever, right? And by now, because you've been doing all this easy stuff in the morning, you're really tired. And so in the end, you end up putting it off because you can't be bothered, or like you don't really make the best job of it that you could have done if you would have been like 100%, if you'd have done it first thing in the morning. And the reality is as well, is that paying a supplier, paying your tax bill, like if you do that like at 5 o'clock or 9 o'clock, it really doesn't matter what time of the day that you do that. Even if you put that off and you did it the following day, it's all good. It's important, right? But it's not like, this is not going to help you grow your business, right? You're just paying a bill, for example. Whereas that Instagram content, for example, that you might have been planning to make, that's going to get you in front of your audience of customers and potential customers. And it's that that's going to generate you new business. It's going to generate you more money. It's going to enable you to grow as a business. So that should be your priority. And it's those kind of things that you should be putting all your effort into when you're fresh, when you're switched on in that first part of your day. So those first 4 hours, use them wisely and do the things that are going to make the biggest impact in your business. And I promise you, if you do that and you do that consistently over time, it bounces up and you are going to see really amazing growth in your business. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to schedule a call with us. See you on the next one. Laters.